Coach Inky, ano yung mga life-changing lessons na pwede kong maturo sa mga anak ko?
Nako, maganda yan. Ang first na kailangan na ituro natin sa mga anak natin is the principle of hard work. Kasi dalawa yan eh. It's either maging tamad yan or yun yan, maging masigasig at masipag yan eh. So, sa bahay, kasi syempre ako, laking tondo ako, nanggaling sa wala. So, I know the principle of hard work. Everything that I have in life, I work for it ever since when I was age 12. Pero ngayon, syempre, yung mga bata ngayon, mas komportable yung buhay. Pero what we do is we also teach them hard work nung bata pa sila. So, in our house, again, iba-iba tayong parents, but we don't give them allowance, but we pay them wages. Sweldo. Ha? Paano may sweldo? Bata pa may sweldo. Yes, kunyari, naghugas sila ng pinggan. Pag naghugas sila ng pinggan, may bayad ba? Wala. Kumain sila eh. Diba? Pero pag naghugas sila ng pinggan ng iba, may bayad yun. Kasi nagtrabaho ka eh. Natulog siya, inayos niya yung tulugan niya. Walang bayad yun, natulog siya. Pero pag inayos niya yung kama ng iba, may merit yun, may bayad yun. So, nasa-save nila yung pera, naintindi nila yung value bago sila mag-spend. So, nag-iisip sila, lalo na yung panganay ko, sobrang, yun, parent yun. Bata pa parent na. Alam mo yung parent? Magulang.
Okay.
Talagang, she will always ask, is this a need or a want? Kasi alam niyang mahirap kitain yung pera. Pinaghirapan niya. Kaya I'm really so proud. That's the reason why I wrote a book with my eldest. Ito yung Raising Up Money-Wise Kids. Chinkitan and Kailatan. This is co-written by my daughter. Oo. Kaya nga, this has two perspectives from a parent and from a daughter. So, kung gusto niyo talaga matutunan kung paano turuan yung bata, actually, there are 10 money lessons here. I just shared one. Okay?